Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome the Hope School and College, Mirpurkhas, Sindh Education Foundation project from Government of Sindh. I, Abdul Jalil, as a chemistry tutor of our class 10. Today, I am going to teach you class 10th, chapter 1, chemical equilibrium. What is chemical equilibrium? Chemical equilibrium is the reaction in which reactant converted into product and product again converted into reactant. Means reaction goes to forward direction or reaction will back to backward direction. Figure showing the chemical equilibrium reaction, reactant and product are equal. In a reactant is the left side slowly converted into product and same time product again converting into reactant until chemical equilibrium is reached. So figure here showing the reactant and product reaction. Chemical equilibrium is divided into two reaction, reversible and irreversible reaction. Figure showing the reversible reaction are those reaction in which reaction is go to forward and then backward, like gas converted into liquid, liquid converted into solid ice. The process is called condensation and then freezing. After freezing, ice will converted into evaporation, again gas produce. Irreversible reaction are those reaction which converted into product, then again reactant will not formed, like combustion reaction. When wood is burned, wood converted into heat, carbon dioxide. Another example, rusting of iron. This is the irreversible reaction example. Irreversible reaction are very fast reaction and reversible reaction are very slow, never go to complete. So reversible and irreversible are different reaction. Now come to the next topic, law of mass action. What is law of mass action? Law of mass action means Kc, in which reactant and product are formed and then chemical equilibrium is achieved. So law of mass action is found by the ratio of product and reactant is called law of mass action. Means law of mass action is the concentration of product and divided by concentration of reactant. So figure here given the Kc, how to find Kc. Here showing the formula of rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction, means Kf divided by Kb. Concentration of product divided by reactant is called Kc. Kc is important in terms of finding the chemical equilibrium. Now equilibrium constant Qc. Qc is also very important, which identify the extent and direction of reaction. If Qc is equal to Kc, it means reaction is equilibrium. If Qc is less than Kc, it means reaction will go to forward direction, arrow showing the downward to upward. If QC less than Kc, it means reaction will go to backward. You can see yellow color arrow showing the direction of reaction to backward. Means QC is very important, which identify rate of reaction, also direction of reaction and extent of reaction, means how long reaction will proceed. This is the introductory lecture. For further deep, you have to contact the Hope School and College, Mirwa Gorchani, main campus, Mirpurkhas,